about 20. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing some long-range shooting with a Slingshot rifle. Video linked up here for the Slingshot rifle videos. We're starting at 20 and we're gonna hopefully step out to 50 because I want to be able to hit stuff at long range with this thing. So we got 3 different kinds of ammo. We got 9.5mm steel, 8mm steel, and 8mm lead. And yeah, we're just gonna start shooting. We got a catch box down there with a little orange spinner, and hopefully we can shoot this thing accurate at 50. First shot, we're gonna go with a 9.5mm steel. Load her up. Turn the red dot on. First shot. So it's dead on at 20 yards with a 3/8 or 9.5mm steel. Now we're gonna try 8mm lead. Okay, so it shoots high with lead, about an inch high at 20, and then here goes the 8mm steel. You see that one?
No.
It bounced back.
Oh.
Okay, this is 9.5mm steel. 25 yards. Ooh, 3 inches low. Let's try another one of those. Got it. Okay, so 25 yards with the 8mm steel is perfect. 8mm lead, 25 yards. Ooh, low. I think it went low. Okay, 30 yards, 8mm steel. A little bit low, a little bit right. That's pretty sick. Okay, 40 yards. We've pretty much just switched over to 8mm steel. And we're kind of stretching it out there. The target's about that big. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna aim right on. About a foot low. So after 30 it really drops off. So I'm gonna aim high. That was even lower. Aiming higher. Still low. Ooh, that was close. Ooh. We just had some company. I let the dude shoot it. He was really nice about it. He liked it. He's shooting bows like back behind us, so we're gonna keep shooting. 40. Ooh, inch left. Let's go to 50 and find a can.
Okay.
Found it. Truly peach tea can. Oh, this is 57. There we go. Truly can. We'll put the Budweiser right there. Here we go. 50 yards.
Ooh.
Nipped it. First shot.
Yeah.
Hit the side of it. Got it again.
Look at that.
One more time. Poppers. Where are you going? Come here, dude. Got it. Okay, North. Just aim about 1.5 feet high. Oh, that was just low.
Good?
Yep, ready. Oh yeah. that was sick.
Easy.
You get a second try. I'm over here like 8 tries in.
Oh, that was direct hit.
Ooh, that was really close. Okay, wanna go look at the damage?
Yeah. Major damage.
Major.
Wait, which one are you going for?
Budweiser.
Okay. Ooh. Nice shot.
Okay. So, with this thing, you just have to find your aim point. 50 yards, I know where to aim now. North, you kind of know where to aim.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Oh.
Whoa.
You see that?
Left. Yeah.
So, this thing can shoot out to 50. You could probably shoot past 50, but I think 50 is probably going to be my limit for now. Comment below if we should get a scope for this thing. I might be able to make it work. I've already looked, and for the scope and the mounting thing, it's going to be like 80 bucks, so I don't really know if I want to do that yet, but you know what we could do? Should we do the thing where I put it up to the camera?
Yeah.
And we shoot?
Yeah.
Okay. Try it.
It's like a pole.
No way. First try.
Wait, we hit it and there was a ring sitting right there.
Cool.
We hit the true one, Karen?
Yeah, that was 50. 61. Low. Okay. Well, that is it for the long range slingshot rifle shooting. Got out to 50, hit the can a couple times. And if you like this video, let us know in the comments. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.